Hey, it's Shay back again, and in this video I want to show you a new campaign I just started about 4 days ago, already making $300 per day. And there's something super unique about this campaign, and that is that I'm getting paid for just generating clicks alone. Yes, that's right, I'm not getting paid for leads or making full sales. I'm getting paid for just generating clicks. And I'm actually just going to jump straight into the first network here and show you the earnings from the report. And I actually run 3 different networks here at the same time. What I do is basically just use a click rotator and spread out the same traffic source across all different networks. But in this case, I've used 3 different networks because they all pay me for generating clicks. Okay, and this is some of the easiest money that you can make online. When you know how, and you have someone to even show you how to do it, they have some time for you, it's again one of the easiest online money makers there is. So I just want to point out a few things right now, just before we get stuck into this. And I started this campaign just a few days ago, as I said, on the 8th. Okay, so today is the 11th, as you can see, and today, so far, as you can see, I've actually sent 28 clicks and $124 has been made just for today, and I was getting paid so far $4.45 per click. As you can see, yesterday and on the 9th, it was up and over $5 per click for a total of $240 or so made. And I just want to jump over to the next network now. As you can see, the same dates again. I just had that one open. I'll expand this one also. So same dates again. 8th of the 5th. So again, we're in May, if I didn't already say. And today is the 11th. As you can see, the EPC, the earnings per click, wasn't actually as high. Even on the highest day here on the 9th, actually $1.90 on this offer, $2.03. Still made a pretty good amount of money so far, $702. I sent a little more traffic to this one. As you can see, this offer here, however, did not convert as good, or didn't pay as good, I should say. Only made $43 compared to, $295 here and $358 in that one. This is just normal though, and today, I think at the end of today, I'll definitely be kicking this offer out because it's not really worth even sending, these 300 clicks could have been sent to these 2 offers above here, and I would have made even more money. So this is all just part of starting out a campaign, and I've already shown this campaign to my students. They've already taken it on board. They know the traffic sources that I'm using, the pages I'm running to run this, and I may just have this open for you as well as a special opportunity for a little amount of time, and I'll get into that in just a second. I just want to jump over to the final and the 3rd network that I'm using. So again, same dates again. Alright, so today the 11th, and we're on $6 per click. Not much traffic sent to this one. Might actually pick it up a bit actually now that I'm looking at it. $6.30 I was getting paid yesterday, almost $265 here. So if we average all of these out, add them all up and average them out, it's barely even been 4 days yet. As I said, we're still in the 11th, on the 11th right now, and it's already over $300 per day average. So it's looking very good already. And here's the thing, as I said, for a little amount of time, I'm willing to open this up to someone who is serious. Perhaps you haven't made any money online and you are trying to look for ways to make money online. You just haven't quite broken through, you haven't figured it out yet. And you know what, many of my students come to me in the same boat. So you're not alone. And maybe you are already making a bit of money, but you're looking to jump up to new heights, new levels, and I can certainly help you do that as well. So while I have this open for a short amount of time, you can actually get access to everything that I'm doing, including campaigns just like this. So you can see exactly how I set up brand new campaigns from scratch, and I'm able to get them to, figures like $300 plus per day within less than 4 days. So if you want to know how I'm doing this and everything else that I'm doing, then you can, but you have to be serious, okay? I enjoy spending time with my students and helping them out, so you have to be serious and you have to take action right now. And to do that, all you have to do is click the link in the description. Okay, so I'm just going to put a quick link. It'll just be a really short, like a bit.ly link right there at the top. It'll be the first thing. So click that just to get over to my site, and I'll show you that now as well. Okay, so right here on my site, just enter in your best email address right here in the field, and then super simple, just click the get access button here. As soon as you do that, there's one final thing to do, super important as well, and that is to go open up my welcome email. Okay, so the email address that you just typed in on my site, the one that you just entered, go check that inbox. Okay, go look for my email. It should be there soon. So look around everywhere you can, look for my welcome email, because in there, I'm going to help you get started today. So it's really important that you go find that email, open it up, follow along with everything I have in there. And if you have any early questions as well, just actually reply right to that email, okay? Because that's going to come back to me and I'll be able to reply to you. So go do these few simple things right now. Take action while I have this opportunity open, because I'm most likely going to have to close it soon. I'm not a robot or anything crazy like that. I'm a real person and I enjoy working closely with each of my students. So again, go take action right now. Thanks so much for watching my video here, and I'll see you on the inside.